So here's the thing with technology. Technology moves today on an exponential curve. Our thinking is linear, and the biggest challenge we had so far with global grand challenges is that we couldn't solve them with technology because technology wasn't yet good enough. But now we're at this magic intersection moment. Lines crossed, the first time ever we can actually solve for global grand challenges leveraging technology.
At Singularity University, we have mapped our global grand challenges to the Sustainable Development Goals by the UN. All of our programs are mapped to helping entrepreneurs learn and leverage technologies to solve those problems. And not just 10% solutions that are going to make a 10% improvement, we're looking for 10x solutions. How will your solution positively improve the lives of 1 billion people? They have to think at scale, they have to think about the globe.
If you're aiming to help 1 billion people, you can't do that in America. You can't do that in America, Canada, and Mexico put together.
Diversity in any type of workforce or thought force, if that's a thing, is really important.
Drone technology and its different customization to solve global problems.
Food production and waste.
Using marketing to get people to care more about climate change.
AI, unmanned systems, and space.
Because the cohorts are so diverse, you get this rich perspective, this global understanding of what is happening in the world that you can't get anywhere else.
If someone wants to solve a problem that's in South America, well then wouldn't you like to have people who are deeply immersed in the local ecosystem, who really understand what the problems are? You get the local and the global view all in the same place.
The new GSP is made up of 3 parts: activate, accelerate, and connect.
This is more than just learning, it is complete immersion.
So Activate is an immersive 4-week workshop that teaches exponential thinking, ideation at the billion scale, and storytelling through the lens of your new radical idea.
We get people to be more comfortable going deeper into opening up.
Key for all this is being able to integrate the domain expertise.
This food, and let's figure out ways that it doesn't go to waste.
Accelerate brings you back to Silicon Valley for 4 weeks and is designed to help you turn that new idea into a prototype through customer validation, business strategy, go-to-market planning, and business plan development. This phase is heavily supported by mentorship and lots of networking.
They help us to break down complex problems.
Throughout the program, GSP Connect will provide continuous support with incredible online content and engagement in our discussion groups. This allows you to deep dive into the different exponential technologies, to access various startup resources, and best of all, it gets you feedback from incredible people like Peter Diamandis and Ray Kurzweil.
And it's not even the technology, right? It's the new business models that are coming into existence that never existed before.
And so when I think about what's coming, I believe that the future is going to be a bright place because we're going to make it that way.
And we need more people with the risk tolerance and the tenacity and the grit to come and tackle these global grand challenges. We have the resources, we just need you.